What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button, share notification, give me a huge thumbs up. Today, guys, we're doing the Fizzy Fun reaction. We're using matter. What is matter? Matter is that has anything that's made out of molecules and molecules, like solid, liquid, and gas. Solid particles that stay still, liquid ones can move around a little bit, but gas particles can move around all over the place. And today, we're using powder as salt, water as liquid, and we're going to make gas. Step 1, we're going to read up marker and label. The tall one is number 1. The short one is number 2. Now fill 30 ml of water. Now you open. So first, put the first one in here. Make sure you don't do the marker inside. Do it outside of the test tube. Now do the same thing, but this time you're going to put it in the small one. Ooh. Too much, that's okay. Okay, now open test tube number. Oh, if you erase it, that's okay. You can just write it again. Now get your scissors and then pour the citric acid into test tube number 1. Now get the baking soda. Now get your baking soda and pour it into test tube 2. That'll look cool. Now we're going to stir it with a spatula. Mix it until it's dissolved. Make sure you can see me. Make sure you can see me. And do not eat or drink this. It's very dangerous. I see no more. Now let's stir in number 2. Now pour in test tube number 2 water into test tube number 1. Let's see what happens. Whoa. guys, we made carbon dioxide gas. That is a type of gas. Okay guys, that's it for me today. And stay safe and always use science.